Also, I used the old tire came off
Ladped
as a support, so kind of lifted up off the ground.
Model 350 watts.
Hope that helps so I wouldn't damage the wiring.
I don't know the
Thank you.
basic entry level scooter, but putting this tire on, I didn't boil it, but you can see around this edge. So I watched the video and they simply take pliers. I can't hold this and maybe record at the same time. You see, but so they simply grab the tire somehow with the pliers and just kind of squeeze it in there. Just wanted to show you I'm putting it on. I didn't have to boil it, so it's a good tire, I guess. $22 on Temu. Please enjoy the little short here, hopefully, and please like, subscribe, and leave a decent comment if you would. Thank you. Bye.